Hey NSYG youth, today we're starting 1 Timothy, and Timothy is written by Paul to a young man. Most scholars believe he was in his 20s, maybe even his teens, and so he was a young leader in the church, and Paul put him in charge of the church in Ephesus, where there were people that were teaching false teachings and other things, and he sent Timothy and he said, okay, you go lead these people. And so the letter is Paul teaching Timothy how to lead the people. And I believe you guys have calls on your life. And so we're taking 1 Timothy, and I want you to read it as a young leader and let God speak to you about what you can do as a young leader. There's some really intense subjects in there, and there's some scriptures that are kind of crazy. Like in 1 Timothy 1, Paul talks about handing someone over to Satan. And I want to challenge you with each chapter in 1 and 2 Timothy to write at least one question and get the answer from somebody. You can talk to your parents, you can look it up online, you can talk to one of the youth staff or a leader in your life, but of going, okay, what does that mean? What does it mean to hand somebody over to Satan? What is Paul talking about right there? So I'd love to hear your guys' questions and answers. So it's going to be great. Let's get in God's word. Let's let it change our hearts.